Hey, it's Mary Bartos with the Bartos Group of Premier Plus Realty, and where am I today? In the world that Waldo says. I'm in Southeast Tower on Marco Island, Tower 4, Unit 303. Now, what's special about this unit, other than it being beautifully done, as you can see from the remodel of it, but the other cool part of this unit is this is a weekly building. And those are very rare on Marco Island when you consider we have beachfront weekly building. There's only a few of them. So what does that mean for you as an investor? If you're a large investor and this is something that you do, this is about a 7% or 8% capitalization rate for the price on this property. If you are just getting into investing, then this is a great place to get into it because you can also use the unit when you want to. Now, I personally have had property in this building before, and it was a great investment in the early 2000s, and it's still a great investment now. This price is priced to sell. Some of the things that you're going to want to consider as a lower unit, we may not have the phenomenal views, but we can use the stairs because there are about 20 floors in this building, and if you're on the top floor and always waiting, especially in the high season, to get that elevator, sure is nice to just come off and get into the stairway. A gorgeous unit that you're going to want to not miss here, Southeast Tower 4, 303, and I'm Mary Bartos with the Bartos Group, and we look forward to seeing you here in Paradise.